Impian pheasant. The Impian pheasant, also known as the Himalayan monal, is a stunningly beautiful and colorful bird species native to the Himalayan region, including parts of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet. It is the national bird of Nepal and is admired for its striking plumage and regal appearance. Male Impian pheasants are known for their vibrant and iridescent plumage. They have a shimmering, multicolored crest on their head that includes shades of green, blue, and copper. Their throat is a striking metallic green, and their upper parts are a mix of copper and blue. The lower body is a dark purplish black, and they have a long, ornate metallic tail with distinctive markings. Females, on the other hand, are less colorful, with brownish plumage and shorter crests. The Impian pheasants inhabit forested areas and alpine meadows, often at elevations ranging from 2,100 meters to 4,700 meters above sea level. During the breeding season, male Himalayan monals engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They raise their colorful crests and fan their tail feathers, creating a spectacular visual display.